block that you can use anytime. It helps you organize your code and makes your project easier to understand. Think of it like a special move in a video game that you can use over and over again. By using My Blocks, we can avoid repeating code, keep everything neat, and make changes easily. Let's create our first My Block. Click on the My Blocks category, then click on Make a Block. Name it AstroSpin. Now let's add in code under the new block definition, like the repeat loops and rotation. Now we'll create a fun project where our astronaut spins and switches backgrounds. First, let's write the code for when we click the green flag. Here's what happens. Our astronaut moves to the starting position, the background changes, and we call our AstroSpin block to make it spin with cool effects. Look at that! Our astronaut is spinning through space and having a blast! So that's how you use My Blocks to make your code simpler and cooler. Now it's your turn! Create your own project with a spinning sprite and share it with me in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more fun coding tutorials.